don't have no rapper friends. I hang with the vultures, big ass toaster. Hit you with it, flip it over. Big old nigga, he's a big old goofy. Rudy Goldberg, jump off in that lane, you gon' get put on a poster. My Ferrari F8, Lamborghini Roadster.
The RB's finally in. The only few things that I still need to do is I need to figure out what I'm gonna do about a fuel rail. I was trying to make the stock one work, but I might just bite the bullet and buy iridium. I still need to finish the wiring, intercooler setup, and I have that sandwich relocation plate, so I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna have to make dash 10 AN lines and do an external oil cooler. But after that, yeah, after that it should be good to go. I hope this thing has good compression and not rod knock, because I don't know.